Now see question number 5. In given figure, PR is greater than PQ and PS bisects angle QPR. Prove that angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. So we have first point. In given figure, PR is greater than PQ and PS bisects angle QPR. Prove that angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Proof. We have given PS is the bisector of angle P. You can take angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. So this one is bisector. This means angle 1 will equal angle 2. Therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2. Now we have given PR greater than PQ. PR greater than PQ, that is given. Now take this triangle PSQ. In triangle PSQ, sum of all angles is 180. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equal 180 degree by angle sum property. This is equation 1. Take another triangle PSR. In triangle PSR, angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 6 equal 180 degree. This is also by angle sum property. So comparing 1 and 2 from equation 1 and 2, we get these will be equal. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equals to angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 6. We have given angle 1 equal to angle 2. Putting here 1 equal to, then 2 to cancel out. Or angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 will equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 6. Since angle 1 equal angle 2. So you can cancel angle 2, angle 2. We have remaining terms angle 3 plus angle 5. Angle 3 plus angle 5 will equal to angle 4 plus angle 6. Angle 4 plus angle 6. But we have given PR greater than PQ. Opposite angle of PR is angle 3. Therefore, angle 3 is greater than opposite angle of PQ. angle 4. Angle 4. Since angle opposite to longer side is greater. This is the reason, greater. So you can compare here angle 3 greater than 4, but angle 3 is greater than angle 4. We have proved above. If this one is greater and this one is smaller, then this will be smaller, this will be greater, because both sides are equal. Therefore angle 5 is smaller than angle 6, or you can write in this way, angle 6 greater than angle 5, greater than angle 5. Angle 6 is angle PSR, or this one is angle PSR greater than angle 5 is angle PSQ. Angle PSQ. This is the required result. You can write hence proved. This one is question number 5.